Hi friends, today we are working on choosing whether we are going to add or subtract for our word problems. And the strategy we're going to use is the UPS strategy. We know that the U in UPS stands for understand. The P stands for problem, so we've got to figure out what the problem is. The S is for solve. So we solve the problem, and then the check is we check and make sure that it actually makes sense. So my word problem that we're going to start with is Hannah has 5 markers. Owen has 9 more markers than Hannah. How many markers does Owen have? I got to really think about this to understand the problem. If Hannah, I'm going to write an H for her, has 5 markers, and I'll draw lines for her markers. And Owen, he has 9 more markers than Hannah. So that means Owen has 9. But he has 9 more. So that means he has 5 of them plus the 9. That's right. I'm going to have to add. So I'm going to take the 5 that Hannah has, and I'm going to add because Owen has 9 more. So I have 5 plus 9, and then I'm going to solve. Well, I drew a nice picture. I'm going to use my picture to solve. I have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means Owen has 14 markers. Let's make sure that makes sense by going back to our problem. So we're checking it this time. Hannah has 5 markers. Owen has 9 more markers than Hannah. So more than her. How many markers does Owen have? So yes, it does sound like I'm going to add the 2 numbers together. Let's try another one. And this time, it says, Angel has 13 apples. He gives some away. Then there were 5 apples. How many apples does he give away? Well, give away really is a big sign that we are going to subtract, isn't it? Yeah, so he had 13 apples, and he gave away 5 apples. I don't even have to draw a picture for this, because I know when it says give away that I'm going to subtract. 13 minus 5, we know that fact, don't we? 13 minus 5 is 8. So does that make sense? How many apples are left if he's given 5 away? Yeah, it makes sense. I can check it by using related facts. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Yep. So long as we understand our problem, the math part is easy. We just have to do the equation then. Let's do one more, and then you'll be able to practice. Dean has 18 blocks. He builds a house with 9 of the blocks. How many blocks does Dion have now? So he had 18, and he used 9 of them. So that tells me that if I'm using them, then I'm not going to be able to have them by themselves to continue to build. So I'm going to subtract. 18 minus 9, well, that's a doubles fact, isn't it? 9 plus 9 equals 18. And my related facts, I know then that 18 minus 9 equals 9. So he still has 9 more blocks to build with. And that makes sense. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Just practice. That's all this is. Make sure you go back to the problem and check to make sure it's addition or subtraction. And that's all you need to do. This is it. I won't see you until after winter break. So have a fantastic winter break, friends. Bye.